if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Roblox, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and improve your loading experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to load other websites or games. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Clear browser cache or app data. If you're playing Roblox in a browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. If you're using the Roblox app, go to your device settings and clear the app data. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing a loading issue. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website. An outdated version can lead to compatibility issues and loading problems. Step 4. Disable browser extensions or add-ons. If you're using a browser to play Roblox, disable any extensions or add-ons that may interfere with the game. Some extensions can block scripts or resources needed for Roblox to load properly. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve loading issues. Close all applications and restart your computer or device to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Roblox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.